Mel started to clean the lower ledges just while we get set up with this machinery. There's a camera and that. Here's a vacuum for doing the gutters. Again, these are really old frames, Richard, so as you can see, we're going over it as good as we can for you, mate. Going to clear these lower gutters out at the back now, Richard. My tripod ladder will only go so high. To get to the top I need the big ladder out now to get the clips out and also to cut the mastic. Right, they've got the water coming from the tap, going through a water softener, going through this vessel which purifies the water, and it's run by a silent generator. Pipes come through to our poles and water will come out in a few minutes. Pure water for cleaning. Clips all taken out, mastic cut off. Richard, just to show you, all this bottom valley, you're going to need a roofer to do this. All the pointings come out all the way up. 8:30, didn't we?
Yeah, you did. I can close the garage door now, can't I?
Yeah. Thank you.
I'd certainly recommend it.
You can tell what we've done, you see.
Oh, I see. It's warm.
God, I'm boiling. I had to set my jumper off.
No.